I'm remaking the most iconic sandwich on television, and if you guessed that right, it's the Moist Maker sandwich from Friends. And just because Thanksgiving's over doesn't mean we have to stop thinking turkey. Now let's make it. First, we toast 2 slices of bread, then we add our herb butter, mashed potatoes, and turkey slices. Then we're gonna soak a piece of bread in gravy, add that on top, followed by cranberry sauce, and my favorite, which is stuffing. We add a handful of greens on top and some more herb butter, and then we cut our Moist Maker sandwich in half. Find the full recipe on my Instagram page and visit thinkturkey.ca for more recipes. Enjoy!